crypto returns to the Super Bowl and claims that crypto is for everybody. XRP is the most oversold it has been in its entire history. NVIDIA and AI infrastructure lure away legacy Bitcoin miners, and Bernstein says Bitcoin is heading to 150,000 by year end. This is Ledger Prime. Guys, we start with the big game aftermath. After a 3-year hiatus, crypto returned to the Super Bowl last night, but the vibe was different. Coinbase ditched the bouncing QR code for a minimalist, Karaoke style ad featuring the Backstreet Boys. Everybody. It wasn't a hard sell for Bitcoin. It was a cultural we are still here moment. Meanwhile, Crypto.com sent the internet into a frenzy, briefly crashing their site after promoting a new AI-focused initiative on the high-value AI.com domain. But while the market teams are singing Backstreet's back, the charts are singing a much more somber tune, especially for one of the market's most resilient tokens, XRP. And it is our high search story of the day. The token has plunged nearly 60% from its 2025 highs, currently hovering around the $1.38 mark. Technical analysts are sounding the alarm, or the dinner bell, as XRP's relative strength index, the RSI, has hit its most oversold level in history. Despite the price dip, the institutional appetite is ravenous. XRP spot ETF saw a massive $15 million inflow in a single day last week. And for the XRP army, the question is no longer if the bounce happens, but how high it goes. And while XRP investors look for a floor, Bitcoin miners are looking for a new career path, one paved by the king of silicon. Because NVIDIA stock is surging today as CEO Jensen Huang defends a staggering $660 billion AI infrastructure spend. But the real crypto story is the great migration. Because with Bitcoin trading sideways around 68K, major miners like Core Scientific are retrofitting their rigs with NVIDIA H200 chips. They aren't just mining blocks anymore. They are becoming AI landlords, renting out high-performance computing power to the tech giants. It's a pivot that's turning crypto companies into infrastructure powerhouses overnight. And this shift to AI infrastructure is exactly why some Wall Street heavyweights say the current market slump is actually the weakest bear market they've ever seen. Because finally, the report that's dominating every trader's feed, Bernstein, their analyst released a note today calling this the weakest bear case in history. Even with Bitcoin down significantly from its $126,000 peak, they argue this isn't a structural collapse, but a simple crisis of confidence. With institutional ETF bedrock and a $150,000 price target still in place for the end of the year, the consensus is clear. The volatility is the price of admission for the most impactful cycle yet. So guys, if there is one thread connecting these stories, it is maturation. We've moved from the hype of the 2022's Super Bowl ads to the utility of the 2026's AI data centers. Whether it's XRP finding institutional floors or miners pivoting to NVIDIA-powered AI chips, the industry is no longer just about trading coins. It's about building the architecture of the future. Guys, this is Luke with Ledger Prime. Make sure you hit like, hit subscribe. We've got more price targets and news updates every single day. Thanks for watching.